Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change YouTube channel name. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to change a name, maybe because you want to keep it unique or maybe for any other reason. So in this video, I'll show you how it could be possible. So simply open a browser, search for YouTube and then simply get logged in into your channel. Once you see this interface, now you will see your profile icon on the top right. You have to click onto it and you will see this option view your channel in blue. You have to click onto it and after that you will be onto this page. There you will see this option customize channel under your name and channel information. Click onto that one and after that it will open the channel settings. There, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the option with name, and under it, you will see the channel name. You have to simply click onto it and change it to whatever you like. But you have to make sure and understand one thing. If you change your password, then after 14 days, you will be able to rechange it. Within that, it is not possible. Once done, you can simply publish it, and now your channel name has been changed. Initially, you wouldn't be able to see it, but if you do a refresh, then you will see the channel name will be changed. So that's how you can change your YouTube channel name. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.